Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and today we're solving a cool telescoping series problem. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, we have this sequence un equals to 1 over n minus 1 over n plus 1, and we are looking for the sum of the terms from the second to the 19th term. First of all, I'm gonna write the first few terms and finding a pattern among terms. U2 is 1 over 2 because we should substitute 2 for n, minus 1 over 2 plus 1, which is 3. U3 is 1/3 minus 1 over 3 plus 1, that is 4. U4 is 1/4 minus 1/5, and if you continue this, U19 would be 1 over 19 minus 1 over 20. After finding these few terms, I'm gonna expanding these terms. So S equals to the sum of these terms. Let me write them. Okay, and as you can see, this is a telescoping series. And as you can see, this telescoping series, most terms cancel out. Negative 1/3, positive 1/3, negative 1/4, positive 1/4. And if you continue this, we can get rid of all of these terms. And after cancellation, we are left with just first and last terms, 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 20. So S equals to 1 over 2 minus 1 over 20. And if you compute this value, we will reach to 9 over 20, and it can be written as 45 hundredths, which is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.